Good morning students, welcome to your Mont 3 maths class. Students, open book page number 14. Book page number 14 students, here's the missing numbers. Missing numbers from 31 to 50 on book page number 14. Students, which number is this? It's 31. 31. Students, do you know how many tens in 31? 3 tens in 30 and 1 ones. 3 tens and 1 ones. It's 31. And what comes after 31? 32. You have to write here 32. 32. What comes after 32? 33. 34 is here. And here's the 36. Which number is missing between 34 and 36? Firstly, you have to read the numbers 31, 32, 33, 34, and here's the 36. 35 number is missing between the 34 and 36. 35. 36, and here's the 38. 36 and 38, which number is between missing? 37 number is missing between the 36 and 38. 37, 38, 39. Okay, here's the again one number missing. What comes after 39? You have to read 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 41. The 40 number is missing. 40. 40. Students, you know how many tens in 40? 4 tens in 40. Here's the 41 and there is no number. Here's also no number, and here's the 44. Students, which numbers are missing between 41 and 44? Here are the two numbers missing. Let's read 40, 41, 42. 42 is missing, and 43. 43. 41, 42, 43. 44. Now which number is missing? 45 number is missing between the 46 and 44. 45. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, and here's the 49. Which number is missing here? Here's the 48 number is missing. 48 number is missing. 48 and 49. What comes after 49? 50. 50. How many tens in 50? 5 tens in 50. Students, let's read again the numbers from 31 to 50. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. स्टूडेंट्स, आपने जैसे ही बुक पेज पर लिखना है तो आपने साथ में रीड करते रहना है. डोंट फॉरगेट, आप एक नंबर लिखेंगे, साथ में आपने जो है वो रीड करते रहना है और फिर आपने जो है वो राइट करना है. ओके किड्स, नाउ इट्स योर टर्न. You have to read and write numbers from 31 to 50. Write the missing numbers. Missing numbers on book page number 14. Allah Hafiz.